Please make sure your sound is on. If you or a loved one is trying to maintain a healthy heart, normal blood pressure, and overall healthy brain, joints, and eyes, then you're probably flooded with tons of ideas, many that contradict one another. What if there were a natural breakthrough that allowed you to maintain healthy blood pressure, healthy blood flow, and an overall boost in energy as you age, without confusion, and is supported by proven research? You're about to discover a new breakthrough that not only supports healthy blood pressure, blood flow, energy, and help maintain normal cholesterol levels, but also floods your cells with an abundance of new antioxidants and nutrients that fights and repairs damage done to the cells in your arteries. You're also about to discover a deep sea omega-3 that has 500% more heart-supporting DHA than fish oil without the smelly fish burps. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But now, on to the first bit of exciting news. A renowned biochemist living near Seattle, Washington, has discovered one of the world's greatest antioxidants. And after 15 years of research and over $39 million spent on clinical studies, that now allows people to benefit. But this comes with a warning. Before you discover more about this breakthrough, you need to know that this short presentation is not going to be available forever. So you need to watch this to the very end today, right now. That's because the powerful information you're about to discover could be exactly what you've been looking for. This breakthrough has been shown to safely support healthy blood flow through arteries and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and this has been demonstrated in scientific studies.